Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to import a layout in AutoCAD. So basically these are the layouts that you need to set every time when you make your AutoCAD file. But today I have brought you a very simple way that you can simply import the layout from your previous files, so you don't have to set it every time. Simply you have to do is right click on layout, go to from template, then you simply have to select the option over here DWG. Make sure the option DWG is selected, or else your AutoCAD file will not be visible for you to select and import. After that, you simply go to your file location from which you want to import the layout format, and simply press on open, and then it will show you that how many layout options are there in the selected AutoCAD file. After that, simply if you want the first layout to be there, or the second layout to be there, or you want both the layouts to be there, you simply select that and press OK. You wait a few seconds, and right over here, okay, press OK, and both the layouts will be simply imported in your AutoCAD file, and then you do not need to make a new layout every time you open a AutoCAD file. So as you can see it right over here, both the layouts have been imported perfectly in the file. So this is how you can simplify your AutoCAD drawings and make your drafting way faster. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.